I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're checking out bin number 68. All right, I'm ready to dig in, and boy, do we have a special week for you, because not only is it all beads again, but it is our final week of unbinning, which means there's only 2 videos left after this, 2 bins. And it feels so bittersweet because, you know, it's nice to finally be seeing the last little bits here and there. And it's time for a new series. So, you know, don't get too sad and leave me just yet. I have plenty of fun stuff in store for this week, and I think you're all going to be very excited. This container has all these beautiful gold ones. We've got different shapes and sizes. And, you know, I'm not really a neutral colored type of person. However, there's some really special ones in here, so I'm excited to see everything. And here's a closer look at this beauty. Wow, lots of beautiful ones in here. I really like these intricate ones, and then of course these that have like the little, I don't know, stripes on them are really cool. These are really nice too. Definitely some fun ones in here. And speaking of fun ones, there's some gorgeous colors in here. These are just like these little, I don't know if you would call them discs, but they have gems on the end. These ones are emerald. We have some beautiful red ones as well. Here is a darker red with the silver. Ooh, oh, I love the beautiful amethyst. Purple is definitely one of my favorite colors. And there is an amethyst silver in here as well. So I've got this like new little scoop. I think this is going to work a bit better than trying to use my fingers or trying to use those plastic ones I did in the past. That way we can kind of like dig in and see everything in here. And oh my gosh, are these ones pink? They are. Oh, look at that beautiful pink color. That is my favorite color. So of course, I'm excited to see those. And oh, this blue. Okay, so I love pretty much all blues, but I would say the best is this kind of turquoisey one that's almost greenish. You know, that, I mean, I guess that's what turquoise is, blue and green. But yeah, that's just one of the prettiest blues I've ever seen. Ooh, this seems to have multicolors, but it looks like there are some just crystal ones, crystal clear. Oh, see, those are beautiful. Actually, they match my nails. They're like this pink pearlescent color. Love those. And here's a closer look at the beautiful crystals. You know, I love the color. I love the shiny, and they make me very happy. Definitely some good ones in here. Next up are some more golds, and we have some really intricate ones. It's been storming pretty much every day here in Florida, and especially while I'm recording. So once again, if you hear a loud noise, it is the storm and the thunder. But as I was saying, these ones are really, really pretty. I love how intricate they are. I don't see a lot of beads like this very often. So every time I do, I'm like, wow, those are something special. And these are super cute as well. They have like these tiny little flowers sitting on top of them. Absolutely precious. I swear the universe just doesn't want me to record in silence. It won't allow it. And here's a closer look at some more of the gold ones. Next up, we have some charms, and there are some really cute ones in here. I am a big fan of stars, so I love that. And these little peas in a pod are super precious. Oh my gosh, look at the moon and the star. I love that too. And then we have this beautiful heart and some feathers. Okay, there's lots of cute ones in here. I'm getting kind of excited. Beautiful heart here. More little stars. Oh, wait. Are these? Oh, they're angels. I thought they were little like carousel ponies. We have beautiful little angels and a seahorse. Oh my gosh, I definitely kept some seahorses from some of the other bins, so I don't know if I need any more, but seahorses are my favorite creature. Then we have these beautiful hearts as well. They're not lockets. That'd be kind of cool if they opened up. And then these flat ones, which are really fun. I bet you could like glue a bunch of really pretty gems to that. We also have a little cross over here, very pretty. Oh, this came off like a scarf, I think. I don't know. They make a lot of scarves with coins like that hanging off of it. And this bag looks like it's just a bunch of mixed ones in here. Can't really tell. Oh, there's like a little puppy, I think. I hope you can see these. Yeah, there's a little dash hound. That's fun. A little crown, some flowers. Whoops. Is that a kitty? It is. It's a little tiny kitty cat. Oh, I love seeing those. Oh my gosh, there's sand dollars over here and more angels. Love the sand dollars. We have a little bumblebee, just a little baby bee there. Ooh, I see some sea creatures. I love anything from the ocean, especially mermaids and seahorses, but we've got some little scallops here, another sand dollar, and a starfish. Oh my gosh. Oh, I see a bunch of fun ones in here. Oh my gosh. Wait. We have some little dolphins. I love dolphins so much. Some little cherubs. Very cute. We have a large seashell, a little ladybug, and some butterflies. My sign from my mom. Actually, dolphins too are a sign from my mom. I don't think I've really talked about that much, but the day that we went to celebrate, and celebrate's not really the right word, but celebrate her life was a day that my family and I went to the aquarium because she loved dolphins and she was always fighting to save them. And on our way there, as we were crossing the bridge, there was literally 2 dolphins going across the bridge following us, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's my mom, that's a sign from her. So I love seeing butterflies and dolphins together because you don't see that very often. And this one doesn't have a lot in here, but it looks like there are some jump rings, some pins, some earring pieces, and some chains. Rose gold is very pretty. I'm not really a big fan of gold, but I think rose gold is very, very nice. We've got a chain here and some more pins and some little beads. See if I can actually scoop them up. Some tiny little rose gold beads. And then there are the jump rings over there. There is kind of a closer look. Not a whole lot going on in there, but definitely fun. This one's also kind of on the sparser side, but we have some gold beads and some silver beads. Ooh, wait, these ones actually look really cute because they're not just silver, but they're sparkly, and we all know I love my shiny and my sparkly, so those are really cute. Everything else looks just kind of standard in here, so there is a better look. We have a few more colorful ones in here, and they are accompanied by our very colorful friend, Bob the Tomato. Everyone say hi to Bob. He's happy to be here. I think he's going to take a break from those friendship bracelets because he keeps saying he's going to make them, and I just haven't seen any. So give him some love in the comments, and maybe we can encourage him to get started on those one day. Oh, these are super cute. Are they little slices of tomato? That would be really funny. They're just like little half moons, but yeah, I'm going to call them our little tomato slices. And look, these can be our little leaf slices. Bob is definitely leaving his mark on this bin, that's for sure. These are super cute as well. Love the little red gems in the middle. And these ones are a bit smaller, but they have purple gems. Very pretty. That would make a super cute bracelet in my opinion. And then there's some gold ones here with white. And these, ooh, I've seen a lot of bracelets made with stuff like this as well. There's just like a tiny little clear crystal in the middle. Absolutely love those. A little gem. And then these are, oh, they have blue. Oh, I thought they were just plain silver. Actually, it's more like a bluish purple, but love those. Also super cute. And then there's some longer ones over here, and these that have the red. Yeah, that was kind of a fun one. Not a whole lot in this one either. Yeah, it's kind of nice to see ones that, you know, she probably used a lot of. Oh, there's little pink half moons too. Love those. There are a ton more containers in here, so I'm just gonna kind of give you a couple little close-ups so we can kind of get through them closely. Maybe point out a couple things that I see. Like those pretty little leaves. I think those are cute. I think that's just like a clasp of some sort. You could put like a bead or something in there, or a pendant that's just to hang it off of, but that's really pretty. There's a couple of those in here. Well, actually, there's quite a bit. These are nice. They're kind of like a darker gray, but yeah, very fun, very cool. Some basics that I think everybody who makes jewelry probably needs. This one has a bunch of round silver beads and spacers. We've got some more intricate ones here. And oh, flowers. You know I love the flower ones. Let's see if we could scoop a couple of those up. Very pretty. I also think these are really cute. Dropping one. Those are very, very pretty. And these kind of look the same, but just a little bit bigger. Really like those. This has a few special ones as well. I love that. It's got like all the little bumps coming off of it. These are super pretty, very intricate details on those. Oh my gosh, that storm. I don't know how loud you can hear that, but oh my gosh, it's very, very loud here. Those are also very intricate and pretty. Ooh, and I love those. There's a little bit of a closer look for you. Ooh, this has some fun ones as well, including these, which I'm pretty sure that's the Greek key. That's what it looks like to me. We've got these cute little round ones that I always say look like pumpkins because they do. Those are very pretty. They're kind of flat and they have little round circles on them. And those are cute as well. And these are kind of more flat, but again, probably a super good basic to have in your collection. Ooh, I really like these triangular ones. Those are kind of fun. And then we have these that have like the little leaf shape on them. And these I assume are for hanging some sort of little bead off of. I don't know all the terms for all this stuff, but you know, I could definitely appreciate when I see what looks like some really nice pieces. Okay, this one has some exciting ones. Let's see what we have here. I don't know what those are, but they look like some sort of stone that almost looks like it could be rose quartz, but I love the pastels. Very pretty. We also have this gorgeous flower. Oh my gosh. I love that. It looks like you could hang like three strands from each side. The leaves almost look like they're not leaves, the petals almost look like they're mother of pearl. They might be. That's a really nice one. And oh my gosh, I love the glass pieces. We definitely had a lot of these in some of the earlier bins. Yeah, don't know what they are, but super cool. Here's some more of the stone looking ones in black and green. And then there are a few here in pink, white, and pearlescent. These are really cute because there are flowers, and we all know I love the flower shapes. They look like some of the ones that we've seen in earlier bins, but not a ton, but we definitely had a bunch of these little white flowers. We have them in a bunch of different colors actually, and I have been keeping some of the ones that haven't sold or the colors that I'm really obsessed with, like the pinks and the blues, but it's nice to see some more here as we're getting towards the end of this collection. That'll do it for bin number 68. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.